Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And welcome back. I hope you didn't get caught out in that heavy rainfall that pushed through during the course of the afternoon. At least one benefit is the fact that our allergy numbers have dropped today, 1.8, but they go back up tomorrow as the grass as well as the hickory and oak tree pollen continue to be an issue into and through this coming weekend. A look from Oriskany, and Route 12 shows the wet roadways across the region. Heaviest of action is out to our east. And temperatures as of last check, we're in the mid and upper 60s right around Utica. Lower 70s as you make your way to the north and east. Is also near 70s as you make your way towards Sylvan Beach, and 73 over at Paynes Hollow. Up to the north we go into the Adirondacks. We're at inlets now at 67. You make your way down toward Cooperstown and the Baseball Hall of Fame, and, well, state regionals taking place down at Binghamton for baseball the next couple of days. Need some good weather. Hopefully Mother Nature will cooperate. I believe Oriskany is involved, if I recall offhand. 68 down the road from the Baseball Hall of Fame. So here goes our line out to the east, boundary just to our west. There's actually a secondary boundary just behind that. But the main focus is what's going on in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Big upper level feature here. Southern Canada, upper Midwest, into the Great Lakes. And this is slowly spinning our way. And I say in that fashion because once it arrives, it's slowly going to be departing. So here is the futurecast as we head through the next several hours, showing that we do get the breaks in the clouds, allowing for some sun to shine before it sets, heading through the middle of the evening. Now, we may see a couple of showers later this evening. Otherwise, we wake up to some sunshine and, yes, an increasing shower threat as the upper level feature takes hold as we head through the day on Friday. Quick, heavier bursts of rain. Could be a few rumbles of thunder as well. Then heading into Saturday, lots of clouds until late in the day, and the shower threat continues on a scattered basis. Forecast overnight lows tonight. We drop down basically between 54 and 58 region-wide. And then highs tomorrow. You're not a fan of the heat and humidity, you're going to like this. It's a good break. It's a prolonged break, too, through the weekend. Forecast highs near 70 from the Delta Reservoir to Loudville, through Utica, to Richfield Springs, to Sherburne, to Norwich, and down towards Sydney along the I-88 corridor. So the showers, that threat will gradually end as we head through this evening. Slow clearing overall, and then we look for the areas of fog to develop as the wind lightens up down to 58. For tomorrow, scattered showers, a couple of thunderstorms, a bit breezy with some breaks of sunshine and a high of 70. Extended forecast will show heading into Saturday, breaks of sunshine. Scattered showers, a high of 67. Sunday, breaks of sunshine. I told you it's going to be one of those patterns unsettled. Up near 70 with the scattered showers on Sunday. Isolated showers on Monday. Back to the nice weather. Tuesday, maybe some showers Wednesday. It's questionable. Then nice again Thursday of next week. Back to the news desk with Gretchen.
Thanks, Tim. Today marks the 80th anniversary of the Allied invasion.
Unfortunately, that cool, unsettled theme, Gretchen, we've been talking about the last few days, is definitely going to be playing out. Here's the line that ended up pushing through the region during the course of the afternoon. We'll talk about how much rainfall some of us did see. It was quite a bit. And we'll also look through the weekend with your Eyewitness News 7-day forecast. That's all coming up right after this.
Your eyewitness weather forecast.
And welcome back, everyone. The air quality forecast at 30 today in terms of particulates in the air. It's at a good level. We go up a bit for tomorrow and Saturday and a good drop on Sunday. We maintain a good threshold into the first half of next week. All right, so I'm holding a sheet of paper. So clearly we've got rainfall totals. Also, with this intense rainfall moving through southern portions of Oneida County about 2:30, 3:30 this afternoon, Route 20 was closed over by Sangerfield for a while, and that's the same area that ended up tracking with these similar rainfall amounts here from Springfield to Brookfield to Sprakers. Yeah, the rain pounded down across Montgomery County. Then some interesting pictures out of Ballston Spa, not far from the Saratoga Racecourse. We'll talk about that in a second. To the Utica Public Libraries, we look to the west. Yeah, there were some nice breaks in the clouds late this afternoon into this evening, as promised, as the first boundary moved through. 63, last check in Utica. We've dropped down to 58 at Clayville. Waterville at 59. You make your way toward Munnsville at 62. Rome at 63. Verona at 63.2. It's Stratford at 62. It's 61 at Boonville. 59, you make your way toward Big Moose. 60 at Inlet. To our south we go. We end up seeing 62 at Richfield Springs and at Cooperstown, as well as Sherburne. 64 at Norwich. All right, the Eyewitness News Doppler radar, quiet right now. There were a few showers coming out of the Finger Lakes, but they've lost their punch just about completely. And you can see that on the loop here as you make your way across southern portions of Chenango County. Now, this radar loop here was very interesting, what we call a meso-low. You can see the spin on the radar during the course of the afternoon from just south of Utica through the Mohawk Valley into central Saratoga County. The spin, very peculiar near Amsterdam, and there was a subtle touchdown, some will say a land spout, as you make your way through some of the farmland of Saratoga County captured by a weather spotter out in that particular part of eastern New York State. Now we have the first boundary moving on through, but it's not one, it's two cold fronts. Unfortunately, there's a lot of upper level energy across the Great Lakes into the upper Midwest. Look at all the high pressure extending from the northern Rockies in through the plains. Could that be ours? No, unfortunately not, as the upper level feature will continue to slowly track our way for the weekend. All right, here we go. Futurecast heading through tonight. Overdoing some of the shower action right now. So the shower's pretty much almost completely done. Clearing, that means areas of fog with light winds, especially with all the moisture we saw get into the ground this afternoon. Now for tomorrow, breaks of sunshine, scattered showers, a couple of thunder showers, a burst of heavier rain. Nothing like we saw this afternoon. Then the shower threat continues tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Limited sunshine again on Saturday, and scattered showers being the theme. If you got thoughts about heading over to Saratoga for the Belmont on Saturday, umbrella close by. But if you're heading to the Belmont to be outdoors at Saratoga with showers, you're probably just looking to have fun and don't need the umbrella, right? All right, forecast highs tomorrow, Otter Lake over toward Boonville in the mid-60s, near 72 at Verona, and Little Falls, 70 at Sherburne, and 70 as well at Norwich. Here's your forecast for tonight. The lingering showers come to an end, then clearing, and areas of fog down to 58 as we head through time on your TGIF. Finish line in sight, right? Breaks of sunshine, scattered showers, a couple of thunderstorms, a bit of a breeze with a high of 70. Extended forecast shows the unsettled, cool theme as advertised heading through the weekend. Still lingering into the day on Monday. Nice day, go figure. Tuesday of next week, but you know what? We'll take it. Maybe some showers Wednesday and nice again Thursday of next week. We told you it was coming, and we told you the timing wouldn't be something you would like. Gretchen?
Thanks, Tim. Hopefully the rain. I sat down with a couple of the Utica Blue Sox today. Hear from them when we return.
Now, Eyewitness News begins with your forecast first.
A good Thursday night to you as you check out the Bank of Utica iNet. And earlier this evening, we did get those breaks of sunshine before the sun set. And guess what? Got a couple of lingering showers still to contend with. Last check in Utica, we're in the mid-60s. That potent line of heavy downpours pushed into the Capital District as well as the North Country as you make your way north of Saratoga. Again, a few lingering showers, and then we head into tomorrow. The upper level feature moves right on top of us. So scattered showers, a couple of thunderstorms, and a forecast high up close to 70. Your Eyewitness News at 11 starts now.
Local news that matters. This is Eyewitness News at 11 on WU. Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Hi again, everyone. Hope you were able to dodge the raindrops. I got some rainfall amounts here. We'll talk about those momentarily. 1.8 on the allergy Richter scale for today. 6.1 tomorrow, and back 7+ on Saturday. Is grass and tree problem continue to be problematic. At least there was a little relief today. Check out some of the rainfall totals, and a lot of these amounts were basically along and south of the thruway, Utica south and southeast especially. Sangerfield, Route 20 was closed for a time mid-afternoon because of the intense rainfall. And we did have the one flood advisory in effect for western portions of Fulton County and western Montgomery County. Rome, as you can see, as you've made your way further to the north in Oneida County. Yeah, some of us barely getting to a half-inch of rain, and we did need some rainfall. A little while ago from Oriskany and Route 12. Ah, that's a beautiful sky tonight. Cool looking clouds and colors as well as our system continues to make its way through the region. Mid-60s as of last check here in Utica. Some of us still flirting with 70. 63 last check at Inlet. As you look down to the south, upper 60s, lower 70s as you leave Madison County into Chenango County. All right, first on the Eyewitness News Doppler radar. You can see the active weather from earlier this afternoon is now well to our east. Looking back to the west, we do find some more showers. That's okay, we can take the rainfall. If we could just time things out better with Mother Nature, right? Well, here's the surface analysis. One boundary moving through. We got the little drier air behind this first boundary. It's the reason why we got the breaks of sunshine here after the heavy, intense rainfall. Now we have the secondary boundary. Okay, fine. We got two cold fronts. They're going to lead to us at least an improving weather scene, right? No, because this upper level feature helping to drive the pleasant weather down into the Ohio and the Tennessee valleys tomorrow and Saturday. We're going to be stuck with this slow-moving pattern into and through the weekend. Yippee, right? The future cast as we head through tonight. Any lingering showers come to an end. Then we'll get the clearing. That will lead to some areas of fog. As we head into tomorrow, here comes the upper level feature. Some breaks of sunshine, scattered showers, a couple of thunder showers, a burst of heavier rain, not as intense as what we saw earlier today. And then as we head through Saturday, more of the same. Breaks of sunshine and scattered showers. If you got plans to head over to Toga for the Belmont, up at the Saratoga Racecourse this weekend, keep an umbrella close by, even though I'm sure you probably will go and have fun and wouldn't even notice a raindrop. Anyhow, forecast overnight lows tonight, region-wide between 54 and 50. Yeah, I know you're sitting back going, yeah, why did Drawbridge ever say that, right? You know why. Anyhow, highs tomorrow, basically between 65 and 70. Here's your forecast as we head through tonight. The lingering showers will come to an end. I forgot my ing. That's all right, because I put it on the clearing. And down to 58 with a few areas of fog developing as we push through the overnight period. For tomorrow, breaks of sunshine, scattered showers, a couple of thunderstorms, a bit breezy, and a forecast high of close to 70. Extended forecast. Hate to say we were right about this, and I hate to say it's rinse, repeat, or a broken record player, but not the best timing for the weekend. Scattered showers, breaks of sunshine Saturday, Sunday. Isolated showers lingering into Monday. Nice on Tuesday. Maybe a few showers come Wednesday of next week. Back to the news desk with Gretchen.
Today marks the 80th anniversary of the Allied invasion of Normandy. When we return, we'll show you part of the celebration.